Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to listen to Spotify music together in real time. So to do this, you just need to go and open Spotify. And after opening Spotify, you can go to any place to see the music, and after that to start listening to music together in real time with your friends. You just need to click on the three dots near to any song, and after that you have to click on that option jam. For me it's jam already in process, so let me end it. So you need to click on that option, start a jam, and as you can see here, you will have an option called share a link or QR code. You can share whatever of them like you want. I click share link, and after that I get the link, and you can share that link with any one of your friends, and you will start listening to music together. You will start listening to that playlist together in real time, and also your friend can choose also music with you and add songs with you. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.